Hey y'all, welcome back to Go Ahead Teach, where we talk about entrepreneurship, teacher life, and mindset. Today, I'm super excited because we're about to make some custom tissue paper. I seen it on another YouTuber's channel and I'm going to tag her. And I was super grateful when I saw the video because custom tissue paper costs a grip, okay? More than what it should because it's paper. So we're going to try our best to make it look professional as always, because I want to be able to wrap my jewelry up in tissue paper that is custom. Lately, I've been using just regular tissue paper from the Dollar Tree because it's $1. But I want to use that same Dollar Tree tissue paper, but I want to be able to put my logo on it. And let's just see how this goes. My fingers are crossed. Shamon. Okay, I'm gonna go in here and I need just letter paper. A letter layout. So, which is 8.5, 8.5 by 11. You can click any of these. Blank. And then I want to go and get my logo out of uploads. Positions, target. Okay. And then group. And then let's do it like that. Okay, so now I can download. Let's save it as PNG because that's high quality. And then we want to save page 2. Then we're going to download that bad boy. Okay, we here at the printer, inserting it to the printer, trying to flatten it on out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and print. Oh, gotta turn the printer on, huh? Okay, here we come. Okay, here we come. Ooh, 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 ooh. Uh-oh. Okay, I think it started doing good, but I think I do gotta cut it and make it fit tighter. So, oh, that's the bud. Oh, I think he's doing good. My Princey doing the crybaby. Hey. Yeah, I actually think I did a good job. Baby, baby. There we go. And look a layer. Say I want